Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Stand Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
So oven is already preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't eat bacon, but for everybody else who's gonna taste this, they eat bacon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay these bacons out. So 2 bacon per burger. So I need 6 because I'm making 4 burgers or 4 sandwiches. Beautiful. So don't overlap, but they can stay close. All right, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna put a pan on here. What this will do is to help to keep that flat so that it's nice and crisp, right? Because you know sometimes the bacon, they elongate and then sometimes some parts are white, some parts, no, we're not gonna do that. So you put something that's heavy to keep it nice and flat. We're gonna pop these in for about 25 to 30 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at that. Wow. Hold on. So there we go. Look at those bacons. Beautifully cooked as promised. Crispy onion. More barbecue sauce on top. Yes, Father. On top. Look at that. Ready for the road, man. This. New KFC sandwich. Don't play with me. Where do I begin?